So hello YouTube. Today we're going to teach you how to cure hiccups. So I learned this trick. Basically you have to drink water backwards. It's as weird as it sounds. So instead of drinking water this way, you drink water this way. Okay, so we're going to all try doing this. So you're going to place your lips instead of regular puking position at the top rim. And you kind of have to tilt yourself forward and then put the water in. It's awkward, but it works. Cured?
I didn't even have hiccups. I just want people out of here.
See?
I burped, but I'm fine.
She's cured because she's also dying. She's like choking to death. It's like, dude, I'll be cured.
You feel like a dog drinking it, then it's fine.
Yeah, it works. Thank you.
Thank you.